What if I told you you could earn a $15 commission for each trial that you generate through Audible? You're already using Audible, you want to join the Audible Creator Program. This will be a video all about becoming an Audible affiliate. So a few different ways that we can do this. I'm going to include all the links in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on one of those links and you will turn up on these pages. So this is the main Audible page right here. You can see the URL here. It's got kind of a load of text there, which is one of the reasons why it will in fact be in the video description. So you can just click on that link and you will arrive here. So essentially the current offer as it stands as of recording this in early 2026 is that if you are in the Audible Creator Program, you can sign up right here. It's quite easy to do so. Essentially, you can make $15 for each trial membership that you generate. So that is just somebody using your link and actually taking on a trial. So not even necessarily getting a paid subscription with Audible, just doing a trial, you can make $15. You can make even more if they go on to actually have a paid account. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up. You will then promote a 30-day free trial of Audible using your own custom URL. Listeners can go to Audible trial landing page and sign up. And if they do sign up, then like I say, you get that $15 commission, as it says here, for every single trial that you generate. And that stacks up over time, of course. And then, of course, your listeners will enjoy a free audiobook as part of signing up using your affiliate link. So there's more blurb here. There's all the terms and conditions and stuff right here. That is the main Audible Creator Program page. You can sign up right here. So you will just click sign up. And once that has loaded, you can join the program through here, which is the Group M page. So you can sign up right there. So there's another way of doing it. If you have an active Amazon Associates account, as I do, Amazon Associates is kind of the main affiliate program for Amazon, where you can make money by putting sort of boxes and text links and stuff, Amazon boxes and text links on your site. I'll show you an example of that in just a second if you're interested in Amazon Associates. But if you already have an Amazon Associates account, you can go to this link, which will also be in the video description. And you can, again, read the blurb. It's essentially the same offer. You are going to advertise your free 30-day trial. You will get a link, and if people sign up to that trial, I don't know why this is all one big link. It's kind of odd. But yeah, this is the official Amazon Associates version of the Audible affiliate program. So you can sign up directly through there, and that really helps. As you can see, I'm already logged in with my store ID here. So I already have an Amazon Associates account, and I have done for years. So you can do it through Amazon Associates. And then we also have this version of the program. You can see right here at audible.co.uk. The .com works as well, of course. So this is all through the official Amazon Audible page, but you can sign up through awin.com, which Awin is kind of an affiliate platform in the same way that something like Commission Junction is, if you've heard of that one. There's another one called Impact, which you might have heard of. What they do and what Awin does is they're huge platforms for loads of different affiliate offers. So large companies like Amazon and other companies, and also smaller companies, will have their affiliate offers on the platform. So essentially you will sign up for an Awin account, and then you can easily just add affiliate programs from within there. So if you don't have an Awin account, you will need to sign up or log in if you do have one. So you might have an Awin account already. That's a quick way of doing this, as you don't have to go through as much kind of, hoops, to jump through. And you can see all of the details again for the trial membership. Currently a 14-day cookie length, which means that when someone actually clicks your link, if they then sign up within that 14-day period, provided they haven't clicked anyone else's link, you will gain that commission on your account. You will immediately be paid that to your account. So this one right here, actually, it's not Group M, it's actually Impact. I mentioned Impact earlier. So all of this is to say that Audible are on Impact, they are on Awin, apparently. And of course, you can just do it directly through Amazon, which is this link right here. I would advise to do it through Amazon if you do have an Amazon Associates account. Okay, so I'm just on one of my sites, Filmmaking Lifestyle. I'll show you quickly, actually, what this looks like as far as being an Amazon Associates person right here. So I have clicked on this best memory card cases in 2026. This article on my site, and I just want to scroll down and show you. Yeah, so here, right here, I have, this is actually a plugin on WordPress on this particular site. But what this enables me to do is have these cool Amazon boxes in here. And then if anyone clicks right there, goes through to Amazon, and that actually tags them with my Amazon cookie. So if they make any purchases, not just this item, but any purchases through Amazon, that will be credited to me. So just to go back there to this page, this is again the Audible Associates program page on Amazon Associates. So I highly recommend that you do it through there. You do have the option to do it through this page that I showed you before, and this page over here as well, for the Awin version. So hopefully you found this video on the Amazon Audible affiliate program useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.